alternative ways to open promenade position in Tango. We will see 2 walks and tap to promenade position, then promenade link and open reverse turn. Man starts with 2 walks, slow, slow and tap to promenade position. Then we will add promenade link and open reverse turn. We do 2 walks, man walks forward, lady backward, then tap to promenade position. Then we do promenade link and open reverse turn, lady outside and close finish. Let's do this with the count and slow, slow and slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow. Now question about timing. What is the difference between count slow, slow and slow, quick, quick? The answer lies in fact that slow equals 2 beats, quick equals 1 beat, and equals half beat. Also is important to know that and steals half beat from previous beat. Therefore, slow, slow and means 2 beats, 1.5 beat, half beat. Slow, quick, quick means 2 beats, 1 beat and 1 beat. Next routine is whisk, then natural twist turn to closed position and then back corte. So usually we do twist to promenade position like this: slow, quick, 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 slow. We finish in promenade position, but this time we will turn to closed position. We will turn slightly more. Let's look at whisk. Then we start twist turn from second step. Man goes around, twists feet, then he untwists to close position. And we continue with back corte. Lady goes with right foot forward between man's feet, and we finish back corte. Let's look again. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Thank you, and now we continue with Telemark to promenade position, steps 2 to 6 of Fallaway promenade and closed promenade. Now, Fallaway promenade is interesting figure, which starts from promenade position, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We will start with open Telemark, then we continue with Fallaway promenade starting from step 2 and then closed promenade. So we do open Telemark, quick, quick, slow, Fallaway promenade, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and closed promenade, slow, quick, quick, slow. Let's do again. So we start with open Telemark, which means we end in promenade position. Then we go Fallaway promenade, and all figure we dance in promenade position, and then we do close promenade. With teaching count and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. After steps 1 and 2 of 4th step, we can dance outside swivel and then progressive link. We dance quick, quick, then we lead lady outside swivel slow, quick, quick, and progressive link, quick, quick. So we start with 2 steps of 4th step. Forward to side, lady backward to side, again, quick, quick, then we lead lady outside to swivel and progressive link, quick, quick. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at chase with 3 different endings: progressive link, whisk forward tap, and whisk close tap. Slow, quick, 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 and quick, and ending is quick, quick, which is progressive link. Now, different ending is whisk, then forward tap in promenade position. Let's do it together. We do from chassé to side, which is not separate figure, it's just ending of chase. Quick and quick. Now whisk, then step forward in promenade and tap in promenade. Quick and quick, whisk. Now we close and tap in promenade position. Let's do again, quick and quick, whisk, close and tap in promenade position. And there is another ending, quick and quick, whisk and promenade link. Slow, quick, quick, now man goes outside, quick, quick, quick and quick, man leads lady to whisk slow, then forward and tap in promenade position. And slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. Now let's do another version with whisk, close and tap to promenade. Slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. And again, with teaching count, and slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. And now, natural turn from promenade position, then outside spin and steps 1 to 4 of natural rock turn. We will do slowest count version, open natural turn, count slow, quick, quick, slow, and outside spin, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now lady goes outside, close forward, which is outside spin, quick, man goes outside, quick and slow, and natural rock turn, slow, quick, quick, slow. Let's do again with the count, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, pivot slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. We hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.